If you are a meat eater, aka a carnivore, you're going to love this lesson. Hi, I'm Jessica from Learning with Jessica Diaz, and today's Spanish lesson is all about meats. We're going to learn the words for chicken, pork, beef, steak, and ham. Let's start with chicken. In Spanish, chicken is pollo. 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 If you wanted to say, I eat chicken, you could say, yo como pollo. Our second word today is pork, which is cerdo. 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 If you wanted to say, I eat pork, you could say, yo como cerdo. Our third word today is beef, which is carne de vaca. Let's break it down. Carne de vaca. Carne de vaca. If you wanted to say, I eat beef, you could say, yo como carne de vaca. Our fourth word is steak, which is bistec. 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 If you wanted to say, I eat steak, you could say, yo como bistec. Our last word today is ham, which is jamón. Let's break it down. Jamón. Jamón. If you wanted to say, I eat ham, you would say, yo como jamón. Let's review those 5 words. In Spanish, chicken is pollo. Pork is cerdo. Beef is carne de vaca. Steak is bistec, and ham is jamón. Now let's test your knowledge. How would you say chicken in Spanish? Pollo. How would you say pork in Spanish? Cerdo. How about beef? How would you say beef in Spanish? If you said carne de vaca, you're right. Next is steak. How would you say steak in Spanish? Bistec. And the last question for today is, how would you say ham in Spanish? Jamón. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you use these videos to learn Spanish, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.